Hello guys, this is Muskan aka Call Me a Reader. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is very special to me because I get the point of this video. I was once living with my parents and I know how tough it is to read romance and love stories in any brown household family, especially when the covers are so I get it. Okay, I get it. So that's why I have found a few book recommendations which I personally loved, and they have absolutely no spice. Even their covers are pretty much innocent, so you can just easily read them. Okay, I know your struggle, I have been there, I know. Okay, so I am here to make it easier for you. And also there are certain amount of people who love to read love stories, but they do not like or appreciate a lot of spice in the book, so I get it. Some days are like that, so even there are certain days where I do not like to read a lot of spice, so these are the book recommendations which I think that you people are going to love. I've made the entire list of the books that I think that you will like. It's not that I'm not reading the script. Okay, I can't show you, or else my number is going to be revealed on the screen, but I'm not reading the script. I'm just trying to find where is the list that I'm making. तो गर्मी इतनी होती है ना. Yes, I've got the list. Okay. So the first book here we have here is The Everything Everything by Nicolo Yoon. If you know me, then you know that I've also read the first part of this book. Like not the first part, but the first book by this particular author, which was The Sun is Also a Star. Oh my god. I loved that book. Okay, pehle I have to talk about that book. Okay, we should just leave it right now. So that book is so good. Okay, so the entire plot is so unique, it's so fresh, like the entire thing, entire story, everything, all the events are happening in just one day, so it feels very Bollywoodish and it feels very filmsy. So it sounds very Bollywoodish because everything is happening in just one day. Okay, and the romance, the chemistry, the love, it's so fresh. It feels कि भाई I've not read any such book. ठीक है, and it's not even that मोटी book. You can easily find it on any online or maybe Amazon or in any bookstore, to be honest, and it is so good. मतलब मुझे the best part जो उसमें लगा था इसकी, वो इतनी fresh और इतनी unique है क्योंकि in every book usually everything is happening in the course of a time, but that book was covering everything in just one day. Okay, so I felt it is some really fresh and unique plot. So if you want to try a romance book which has a very unique plot, The Sun is Also a Star is the right book for you. You will be stunned how precious, how beautiful that book is. Like, I feel there are certain books which I think that these are not just books, these are pure pure masterpieces. And The Sun is Also a Star is definitely one of those books. I read this book when I was a beginner reader. Now I'm reading since like 4 to 5 years, and I read around 70, 80, 100 kind of books. Not 100, but yeah, 70, 80 books per year. So according to that, loved it, and I'm still not able to forget about this book. So it really means कि भाई बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर book है. I'm not sure if there is a movie on this book. I'm not sure. um there is a movie on this book. यहाँ पे ये तो लिखा हुआ है, but I'm not sure about that book. But don't watch the movie. Like read the book first. Okay, read the book. It's really good. The plot is really unique, and there is no spice. There is nothing hot chemistry. There is nothing spice at all. It's just pure love story, pure coincidence. The universe is universing in their love story. It's like that. So you will love it so much. So the next book that we have is Everything Everything, पर हम थोड़ा सा distract हो गए थे. So this is also by the same author, and I really like the fact that how conversational this book is. So I have this thing कि I don't like a lot of long chapters until the book is like really interesting. ठीक है? But then in this book it was very interesting. Uh, then the book is like really into conversational and like very short chapters, if you guys can see. And I read this book when I was in this reading slump kind of thing, and I find it very interesting. So like the entire plot is something ki there is this girl, okay, who is not able to go outside of the world because of her disease. Okay, it's something that whenever she comes into what do you say, comes into the contact of air or outside world, she'll get sick, her gut will get sick or her heart will get sick. Okay, that's how it is. But then there is this guy who is her neighbor, okay, and she falls in love with him, okay. Now how she navigates through the entire situation, and I love the fact कि this book makes you feel कि भाई the universe is so pretty, the world is so pretty, and the things that we are taking for granted is so pretty. मतलब if I have to tell you, there are certain books that make you feel कि भाई the cloud is so pretty today. Like I feel so happy that the sun is here, the trees are here, the air is on your face. Does that make sense? This book is exactly like this because we are going out in the world and we are taking for so many things for granted. And when you look the world from this woman's perspective, this girl's perspective, you feel कि भाई actually we are taking बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसे ही for granted, and it makes you feel so happy to be alive, to be going out in the world, to be doing so many things that you love. I think that this is definitely a very good book to read. Next we have is Archer's Voice, and I have read this book, I don't know, matlab probably first year when I was reading, like when I started reading. And you can see the cover page, it's pretty much innocent. I am not sure how much spice this book has because it's been a long time since I've read it, but I know this thing, uh, that a lot of people recommend this book to a lot of teenagers, which means that even if there is some spice, there is very less chodu modu spice. Okay, so you can like just skim through those pages when you get to know about the spice. But the vulnerability of this book, bhai sahab, matlab I have this thing for the guys who are emotionally vulnerable, who are emotionally available for their partner. ठीक है?
I don't like that masculine ki ha 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 I am the ladka. I don't like it. Okay.
So I absolutely love the fact that how deep, insightful, and vulnerable this character is, this Archer, and the amount of pain this person has faced. Like, I am at some point I'm actually sick of reading about the guys who are, very masculine. "Ki, I can do this. At some point I do want to read them, okay? But then sometimes I need a guy to be aisa ki bhai who's a very sweet little guy who's like caring for you, who also has a very, past, and which makes him more human. ठीक है? कि मतलब आप एक्चुअली बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ एक्चुअली मेन आर, ठीक है, एवरीवन इज लाइक दैट. तो मेरे को बहुत ऐसा अच्छा लगा था पढ़ने में कि अरे यार कितना क्यूट सा गाय है, बट ऐसा सुंदर सुंदर ऐसा मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा था. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द वन बुक दैट आई रियली लव्ड सिंस मतलब इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम. It's been like around 4 to 5 years since I've read this book, and I've recommended it to almost every teenager कि भाई इतनी प्यारी बुक है बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट यू टू नो कि दिस काइंड ऑफ गाय डू एग्जिस्ट. ओके, इवन इफ दिस इज फिक्शनल you have to read it because this it's very cute. Okay, so if you want to read like a very giggly blushy kind of romance which has absolutely either zero or very low amount of spice, then this is the right book for you. And also the cover page is also very good, so you can absolutely read it. Next we have is If He Had Been With Me, and the amount of trauma that this book gave me is, भाई मैं इतना रोई हूँ ना, मतलब मैं ऐसे एकदम, तुमको वो समझ में आता है कि एकदम ऐसा चीख के रोना जो होता है कि भाई एकदम ऐसा आंसू आंसू नोजी वोजी सब निकल रहे, ऐसा टाइप रोई हूँ मैं इसको पढ़ के. ठीक है कि क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में, क्यों हो रहा है, ऐसा टाइप रोई हूँ मैं. ठीक है, एंड for around 2 to 3 years after I read this book, I was like, yeah, I can't read the second part of this book. I can't go through all that trauma. I can't. My heart can't take that. My brain can't take that. Okay? But then you guys can see I do have the second part of this book now because how much trauma is so much trauma. Okay? And I have this bad tendency in my brain कि भाई मैंने एक बार पढ़ लिया है तो दूसरी बार भी मैं survive कर लूँगी trauma को. क्यों करती हूँ मैं, मेरे को नहीं पता. Anyways, so if you want to try a sad love story, try this. Don't blame me, okay? Do not blame me for all the emotional breakdown that you're going to have, भाई, क्योंकि इतनी, एक तो इतनी सुंदर इतनी प्यारी बुक है. ठीक है, उसके बाद में मतलब मेरे को अभी भी याद है कि इन द एंटायर बुक आई वाज लाइक कि भाई प्लीज प्लीज मिल जाओ, प्लीज मिल जाओ, प्लीज मिल जाओ. एंड the like in the very last when they are going to meet, something happened. I'm not going to tell you what happened or when happened actually. भाई बहुत बहुत ट्रॉमा हुआ था. मेरे को ऐसा लगा था कि भगवान जी प्लीज भगवान जी, प्लीज कुछ तो करो सो दैट दे कैन मीट, प्लीज डू समथिंग, डू समथिंग। ठीक है, तो मतलब भाई, और पर मेरे को रोने के बाद में मजा बहुत आया था, क्योंकि ऐसा लगा कि अरे यार क्या मस्त बुक है एकदम। ऐसा 2-3 दिन तक मैं ऐसे बिल्कुल ट्रॉमा में थी कि यार कुछ नहीं पढ़ पाई मैं। आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू रीड एनीथिंग आफ्टर दिस बुक। आई वॉज लाइक कि भाई कुछ तो मजा आया मेरे दिमाग को, बट मेरी आंखों को नहीं आया, क्योंकि मैं इतना ज्यादा रोई हूँ। ऐसा टाइप का बुक था। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट बुक दैट वी हैव इज द एटमॉस्फेयर, अ लव स्टोरी बाय टेलर जेनकिंस रीड। If you have read previous books by this particular author, then you know her writing style. It's not for everyone because it's about a lesbian couple. And if you are, I don't know how to say this, but if you don't like LGBTQ community, you can't read this book obviously, because it's like more on the lesbian couple side. But I loved it. I loved it. And I have this पूरा acceptance kind of thing कि भाई मेरे घर में जो भी है, be it LGBTQ community, be it any caste, religion वगैरह वगैरह, I accept everyone. ठीक है, तो मेरे को तो बड़ा मजा आया भाई पढ़ के सच्ची में। And the best thing is कि there is absolutely no spice, no hot chemistry kind of thing. It's pure love, fresh plot, depth, emotional vulnerability, all of these things. And मतलब for the first 100 pages, if you're going to read it, you'll be like कि भाई क्या चल रहा है, because it's more of the scientific stuff. And I come from a very literature's background, like I come from a humanity background, so I was not able to understand anything, because it's like the background is in NASA and everything. Okay, so for the first 100 pages I was like कि नहीं नहीं जम रहा है, let's DNF it or something. But 100 pages के बाद में I got hooked so bad. I was like I have to complete it, please, I have to complete it. भाई इतने emotional scenes थे, इतने vulnerable scenes थे, बहुत बहुत मतलब, if you are looking for a very fresh kind of book कि भाई you have not read any such thing, and if you want to read a lesbian love story, I would not say it as a romance book, but I would rather say it as a lesbian love story, because it's pure love, pure love. Okay, so I think that you should definitely try this. If you are someone who has never read any book by this particular author, I am not sure if you will like it, because this particular author has a very specific kind of writing style. Okay, so it's something ki for the first 100-150 pages it's like ऐसे बहुत धीरे 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 it will aggravate, the plot will aggravate, and then after 100-150 pages it's like हाँ, you get the pace of it, you get hooked to it. It's something like that. Okay, so if you are okay with the slow pacing love story, then it's really good. It's really really good. You will like it very much. Next that we have is Better Than the Movies. Now the thing is about this book, I'll tell you what, very honestly, I DNF'd this book. ठीक है, because it was very cheesy for me. ठीक है, मैंने इतनी सारी रोमांस बुक्स पढ़ ली हैं, इतनी सारी लव स्टोरीज पढ़ ली हैं, उसके बाद मैं फेल्ट कि बहुत चीज़ी था मेरे लिए. बट आई थिंक दैट इफ़ यू आर अ टीनेजर and if you want to read a no spice romance, you will like it, because it's very, how to say it, like very extreme Bollywoodish kind of. ठीक है, very cheesy kind of love story it is. Okay, so I think that you will like it. And I think that if I would have read this book around maybe 2 to 3 years earlier to right now, I think that I would like it. That's why I'm recommending you this book. And I've also heard quite a good reviews and good amount of people talking about this book. And I also think that there is second part of this book. I'm not sure, I think I've seen it somewhere. I'm not sure about the name, but I think that you should definitely give this a try. And even if you don't like it, we can come in the same club, because we will be able to figure out ki yes, it is a cheesy book at some point. Okay, but then I think ki teenagers will definitely like it, because that first love, first romance book, that butterfly kind of things, all of those things usually happen with the teenagers. So I think that you will like it. Next book that we have is one of the most popular book talk reads you have read, Sam. And I know that the cover page does look aisa, but then believe me, there's no spice in this. Okay, as far as I can remember, there's absolutely no spice in this. And I read this book when I was in my internship. Okay, when I was doing my internship, and I still remember that I was thinking, hey, this plot does not make any sense. Okay, so the plot is ki the guy dies. the book starts with this note only, ki book the boy the boy dies. Okay, and then he, because the girl did not get any closure because the guy died at a very random note. Obviously that's how people usually do, like usually die. What am I even saying? Anyways, so at that point the guy and the girl gets connected with the call even when the guy dies. Some parallel universe kind of thing is happening. Again, does not make sense in the head, but did I like it? Yes. Was I very emotional when I read it? I cried so bad. Okay, like at some point, I can't tell you the name of the publishing house where I did my internship, but then at some point, the head of that department came to me with the tissue papers. Ki, are you okay and everything? I cried that much. Okay, so it might not make sense in your head, but this is a beautiful love story. Okay, and I think that it is overhyped for a reason. It is overhyped for a reason. I somehow did not like the other books by the same particular author, but I definitely did like this one book. Okay, matlab, I think that you will definitely like it because it's a good book. Okay, it might not make sense, but it is a good book. The plot and the conversation that are happening, the vulnerability in the book, and all the character development that there is, I think that you will like it very much. Next book that we have is One True Loves by Taylor Jenkins Reid, and I have recently completed this book, and I cannot tell you how much I loved it. I have actually posted a story on my Instagram that right now I'm not able to enjoy a lot of romance books. I don't know why, they just kind of sound very monotonous to me. And then I picked this one. भाई साहब, इतनी प्यारी बुक है यार, इतनी प्यारी बुक, मतलब I remember that when I completed this book, I can still show you the picture of me when I completed. Okay, I had red nose and I had all these teary lines around my eyes because of how much crying sessions I had while completing this book. And I think that I would like to give these characters a really good and tight hug because of everything that they have went through. So I'm just going to give you like the summary of the plot, not going to give you any spoiler. It's something ki there is a couple, and the couple got separated because of certain reasons, and then this woman fall in love with another guy. Okay, and then one fine day when you think that your husband has actually disappeared, first husband has actually disappeared, he reappears again. Okay, and you thought that he has died and everything, and you try to move on, and you fell in love with someone else, and you're about to marry that second person, and then the first husband reappears in your life. Okay, so it's something ki how this woman navigates through the entire situation, and how these two men are absolutely loving, caring guys, how supportive they were ki bhai, you take your time, we are here. And still, like, they are trying to be very very supportive. Still they are someone who love you. Okay, so they are like being very protective ki no no, you are my life. As a, it's beautiful. Okay, and the complexities of life relationship that this book addresses, I never thought that I would like such a book because I don't know, matlab, I kind of do not like a lot of complex issues. I don't know, maybe I do have this tendency to not talk about the complex issues. I don't know. But then I loved how this book was. I absolutely love how graceful and how humanly everyone take on their part. Like, I can see the entire journey. Like, even when this is about two men and one woman in the love, how other parts, other characters of the entire story has also been developed in this. Ki, there are like two sisters who are like very anti of each other, and how with the life you get to love your siblings with whom you used to fight a lot. It's extremely beautiful to read a book like this. I think that this is definitely one of those books which I am going to remember for a long, long time because I genuinely did not even expect this book to be this nice. I was like, yeah, haan, theek hai, let's just read because I'm not able to, find anything good to read right now. So let's just pick this one. Bhai, it's so cozy, it's so warm. Like, whenever I think about this book, I think of winter, hazelnut coffee, cozy blankets, warm hugs, cuddles. It's like that. So I absolutely love how cute and cozy this book is, and I urge you people to try this book. Okay, it's very, very beautiful. It's, as I said, it's not just a book. Okay, it's a piece of masterpiece, like piece of art. Okay, just try it. Okay. The next book that we have is A Thousand Broken Pieces, and the first part of this book is Thousand Boy Kisses. Now, again, the cover is like that, but there is no spice and hot spice like that. The way there is in sports romances and everything, there are kissing scenes, but there's nothing like that. Okay, so if you can, just go and read the first part, maybe read in the PDF if you like. And if you are someone who lives alone and you can read romances but you do not want to read spice, then you can definitely get the paperback of this book, right? Just read the first part, your heart will break. I I can't. भाई इतनी मतलब I don't want to give you any spoiler, but the first book is so cute. ठीक है? It reminds you of your first love. It reminds you of how vulnerable, how silly, how fool, how cute you were when it was your first love. And then it didn't happen because a lot of people do not get to have their first love. And then it breaks your heart, it shatters your heart. It is the last few pages of this book is extreme torture and pain. Okay? And then when you get to know about this book, okay, this is the second part of the same book. Somewhat characters are also same, like they are reappearing in the second part, but the love story is of different one. Okay? So if you can read the first part, it is really, really good because you get to experience the whole some plot of the two both of the books, right? So it would be really good if you can read the first part. And if even if you can't, I think that you can still enjoy it, but I personally think that when you will read the first part, it would be like a very wholesome experience for you. Okay? So in this part also, your heart is going to break. I'm not saying that it's not going to break. It is going to break, but then this book is also going to heal your heart in so many ways. If you're someone who has lost your loved one or lost your partner and is in the grieving phase, this book is really going to help you. If you are someone who has lost your first love, if you're someone who want to be in love and still the universe has not answered your first love wala thing, this book is really, really going to teach you patience. It's really going to heal your heart in so many ways. It's really going to make you appreciate your life a lot more. So I think that you should definitely try this book. If you can, just go and read the first part as well. It's really good. Like the wholesome experience of this book is something that I still crave. Like I'm going to be so envious of you if you're going to read both of these books for the very first time. I think that I would want to read these books the way that I've read for the first time. I was so astonished. I was so full with love. I was feeling so happy and sad at the same time. Last book in the series is A Wish for Us by the same author, I think. So there are two book covers of the same book, and I'm gonna attach the screenshot somewhere here. Make sure that you do not get this one where there are like two people on the book cover because it's pretty much visible then. But I think, and of course there's no spice at all, there's pure love, pure coincidence, pure fate. And I think that you will like it very much. But again, just a disclaimer, it is a sad love story. Okay? And this particular author writes a lot of sad love story which in which one of the partners has some health issues or something. But I think that these kind of books, despite the fact that they're sad, are going to teach you to appreciate your life a lot more, to hold your loved ones a little more tighter. And I genuinely think that you will like it very much. If you are into sad love story, if you want to read a sad love story, this is something that I really, really loved. And I've read almost all the books by this author. Her latest release is also here with me, I think. Yeah, Write Me For You. I also have the latest book by this author. I'm going to read it anytime soon. So I think that you will like it very much if you're into sad love stories. You will be so engrossed in this book. Your heart will break. Your heart will also heal because this is something that I can't explain. Okay, you have to try this book. You genuinely have to try this book. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys had a lot of fun by reading all these books, and do let me know which book are you going to read anytime soon. This video is very different from all the videos that I usually curate because it does not have a lot of spicy, giddish kind of romances. but these are certain books that I've recently like thoroughly enjoyed in all the years of reading the books, and I think that you will like them a lot if you are someone who want to read a non-spicy romance books, or if you're someone who lives with their parents and want to read love stories. So if you do like this video, do let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.